Hello, welcome to Comica channel. This is an unboxing and user guide video for Comica Ejoy D10 PRO, a RGB cardio dynamic microphone. The Ejoy D10 PRO comes in two versions, single channel and dual channel. This video demonstrates the single channel version. Open the Ejoy D10 PRO packaging box, and you'll find the Ejoy D10 PRO microphone TX, a receiver RX, a charging audio output cable, an adapter, a microphone stand, a touch fasteners, a user manual, and a warranty card. The top of the Ejoy D10 PRO microphone features a dynamic mic capsule. Make sure to point this part toward the sound source for optimal recording. The front section has a windscreen on the outside, and an RGB lighting zone in the middle. On the front panel, you'll find the power/dimmer button, status indicator light, and a monitoring volume knob that also functions as a muting button. RGB light, audio dynamic, Comica orange, C-wave, colorful breathing light, RGB slow wave, rotating rainbow, red light keeps on during muting status, power dimmer button, long press to turn the power on, off, short press to turn noise cancellation on or off, status indicator light, engine mode status, green light keeps on, in muting status, red light keeps on, in low power, red light blinks slowly, when powered off, the red light keeps on while charging, and the blue light keeps on when fully charged. Meanwhile, the status indicator light also indicates the microphone's pairing status. Unpaired, blue light blinks slowly, paired, blue light keeps on. Monitoring volume knob/muting button. Rotate to the plus direction to increase the headphone monitoring volume. Rotate to the minus direction to decrease the headphone monitoring volume. Short press to turn muting function on/off. The bottom of the microphone features the gain adjustment switch, EQ effect button, EQ effect indicator light, RGB lighting button, 3.5mm headphone monitoring jack, USB-C port, and XLR input. The groove here serves as a receiver storage position. Gain adjustment switch, slide left or right to adjust the full level gain. EQ effect button, press and hold to turn the EQ effect on or off. Short press to switch between the three EQ settings. EQ effect indicator light. When the EQ effect is set to bass, the light turns orange. When set to natural, the light turns blue. When set to bright, the light turns green. While pairing, the blue light blinks quickly. RGB light button, long press to turn light effect on/off. Short press to switch 6 light effects. 3.5mm headphone monitoring port. Plug in 3.5mm TRS headphone for real-time monitoring. USB-C port. Charging the mic with a power bank. DC power supply via the charging audio output cable, or connect to devices for digital audio output. XLR port. Connect to audio interface. Recorder. Mixer for analog audio output via the XLR or XLR 3.5mm TRS audio cable. Receiver storage position. The receiver can be connected to USB devices for digital audio output and be stored on the groove of the microphone stand when not in use. Ejoy D10 PRO boom arm kit. Firstly, clamp the stand base of boom arm to the desktop. Tighten the screw on the bottom clockwise, and then insert the boom arm into the base socket. Fix and adjust it by the screws on the side of the base. Next, connect the mic threaded hole to the boom arm screw. Rotate clockwise to fasten. Last step, adjust and fix the mic through the locking knob on boom arm. Already done. Ejoy D10 PRO D desktop stand kit. First, connect the threaded hole of mic to the screw of the desktop mic stand. Rotate clockwise to fasten it. And then adjust the angle of mic through the locking knob on it. Quickly done. Wireless mode, the microphone and receiver are paired by default. After powering on the microphone by pressing and holding the power/dimmer button, the receiver is plug and play with compatible devices like Android phones, iPhones, Android tablets, iPads, laptops, and other. For devices with a USB port, use a USB-C to USB adapter. For Lightning port devices, we recommend using the DUCL and adapter cable. If you need to repair in special circumstances, please refer to the following pairing method. Firstly, power on the microphone TX. Then long press the EQ effect button and RGB light button in sync to enter pairing mode. For the dual channel version, power on both microphones TX. Then press and hold the EQ effect button and the RGB light button on each microphone in sync to enter pairing mode. Connect the receiver X to a device to make it enters wireless status. After successful pairing, the status indicator light keeps on blue. Wired mode, digital output, connect the mic to smartphone, tablet, computer, through audio output cable. Analog output, connect the mic to audio interface. Recorder, mixer. Via the XLR or XLR2 3.5mm TRS audio cable. While the audio cable needs to be prepared by yourself, when outputting analog audio signal through the XLR port, all other functions are unavailable except for the dynamic audio signal delivery. When connecting the mic to a computer, please click the sound setting and choose Comica Ejoy D10 PRO TX as the output and input device. When connecting the receiver to a computer, please click the sound setting and choose Comica Ejoy D10 PRO RX as the output and input device. If the input sound is too loud when connected to the computer, users can adjust the computer's microphone properties, levels, to reduce the gain. Take the Windows system as an example. Thanks for your watching.